back, my friends, and happy Monday. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is going to be non-phone. It is paying very well. We are going to dive all in. Just know the links to this page, if you're interested in applying, are always linked in the YouTube description box below this video. Today's job lead is from the company Curology. Now, you may have seen ads for them on YouTube or different places. They are a skincare brand that allows you to formulate the specific formula for your skin. So they work with dermatologists to get that formulation right. So then they mail out your skincare products. It's not an off-the-shelf product you can buy. They are looking for a customer success quality lead. This is going to be non-phone. It is remote for the United States, and it is a full-time position. Now, they're basically looking for somebody to review their customer service interactions from the customer service associates and grade them and review them for quality. So you're going to foster an environment of delivering premium customer experience through this customer service specialist who serve their patients and through all non-phone channels, including email, SMS text, live chat, and social media interactions. So you may have to grade all of these. You're going to review and look at them and develop and manage a comprehensive quality assurance program that can be scaled as the customer service team grows. This is going to include process creation of compliance audits for quality, accuracy, and adherence to outlined standards. So you're going to help create a program that grades the customer service rep. The program is going to measure and maintain their quality standards through identified KPIs that's going to be tracked on a weekly basis. You'll identify and implement any quality assurance best practices, and you'll lead day-to-day quality activities to support the development and growth of the customer service specialist. So you're not actually performing any customer service duties yourself. You are basically going to review their quality, tell them what they need to do better, train them, guide them, all of those types of things. So this is going to be perfect somebody who has a lot of customer service skills, but you don't want to be on the phone doing the actual customer service. Now, as far as what they're looking for somebody who has 3 or more years of experience in some quality assurance role with customer service. Somebody who has a great customer service skills, a strong attention to detail, great analytical skills, and of course you have to have great communication skills and be able to use those Microsoft Office, including Excel and PowerPoint. If this is something that interests you, the base salary for this position, of course, is going to be dependent on location and experience, but is anywhere from $57,000 a year all the way up to $80,000 a year. Of course, they're also offering a standard benefit package that includes medical, dental, vision, 401k, paid time off. It says they also offer a $75 work from home stipend and a home office setup stipend, so you can get the supplies you need to do the work. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that's absolutely okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.